All right, we're going to do a quick video on offsetting a pattern that needs to also be flipped. So first I'm going to go into patterns, pick my design, and we're going to repeat this one 10 times. We'll do it 9 times. So this is a free pattern right now on Urban Elements, and what they've done is the first one, we're going to size this. The top one, we're going to take it all the way to the top. They have it flipped like this, and then they also have it go in the other direction. But before we can flip it the other direction, I actually have to merge this pattern. So I'm going to touch my merge icon over here, and then I'm going to flip it that direction. So that's how they have their top row. And then the second row, so if we look at that one right now, it says just one row, but we have again repeated it the 9 times, but we want to pull in another one. But since I've made that all one pattern, I actually have to pull in from patterns. And then we have 9, so we're going to go to repeat 9 because we have to make them the same size. Repeat 9, size it, and do our sizing. But we need to offset it. So if we come up, if we bring our pattern up to the top, we're going to go to move, and we bring it just below it. You can tell that it's going to have that little empty space in between the 2 rows. I really should set my move increment larger when I'm doing this. So if we have it like this, then you end up with a design that has this big empty spot in between each of those. So we're still working on that one pattern. We're going to go to 10, go back to the move function and center it. And now we can pull that up to where we have a nice, and if you want, we can zoom in on that a little bit. So you can see we can set the spacing. That looks nice. Okay, so then we're going to come out to look at the full screen. Now, if you have room to quilt off the quilt, go right ahead. If you don't, then you just go to your crop function and crop it. And then if we're going to want to take this and do another row, see how if I put in another row, it automatically just does the second row that I did. So we're going to, because we want to be able to nest this whole design. So now we're going to take that and we're going to merge again. So now when I do another row, I can now nest. But we can't go both rows just because it goes past our quilting area. So there we go.